Hi guys, Gerrit Milan speaking. I'm going to show you how to install and configure your wireless device that you received from TUT. Now as you can see, this is the contents of the box that you received. Inside the box, first of all, you get your router. Looks like this, looks like a little cell phone. At the back is where the battery comes in. It's also using a cell phone battery. On the side there, you can see the power button. Let's bring it closer. You see the power button there. Now to switch on the device, you just gently press this device, this button, and hold it in until you see the lights come on. Then it will be switched on. There's a little USB cable. Now this cable is to first of all charge the battery of the device. And secondly, you can use this cable to connect it to a PC or a box computer. In other words, if you do not have a laptop with Wi-Fi capability, right? Then your SIM card should already be installed in this device when you receive it from TUT. Okay, I'm now going to show you how to connect this and configure the settings and also to connect with the internet on this device. Okay, now for setting up this device. First things first. First time you connect this device, you need to plug it in with the cable like I have done here. I'm now going to show you how to configure the settings and then we are going to connect. Okay, once you've connected your device to your computer, first things first. You need to go and check your connection. You will be able to see the TUT connection here. There is a TUT 6CAF, that is mine now. When you open this and you click on connect, it will ask you for a network security key. Now this network security key is TUT 123456. Let me just show you there. Capital letter T, small letter UT 123456. Right, then you click on next. It will say verifying and connecting. Just very important, before you do this, make sure that you have no other active network connections, because you cannot work with two network connections at the same time. Right, now you can see that it is connected and secured. What we need to do now is open an internet browser. I'm opening Internet Explorer, and I've opened this document to show you step by step how to do this. Now when you switch on and connect, it will require that password I just put in, TUT 123456. Right, that was step 2. Step 1. Step 2 is to connect this to a browser. You open the browser and you type the following IP address in there. It's 192.168.8.1 and press enter on your keyboard. Now this will take you to the login page for the router, for this mobile router, which will look like this. Now to log into this router to configure your internet connection, if it hasn't been done yet, is very easy. First of all, the password here is also TUT 123456. So it's capital letter T, small letter UT 123456. Just to show you there, TUT 123456. Then you click on login. Right. Once you've logged into this device, go to the Network Settings tab here. Click on Network Settings, then scroll down. There you will see your TUT APN. You click on this once, it will open the Profile Management page. This is where you can put in your password and your username. Very important, people, is to remember that it's only your username that comes in here, not your email address. Only username and your password, your TUT password. This is also where you are going to change the password in the future on this device. You need to log into the router, physically connect this device to your computer, connect to the internet, open the browser, type in the IP address like I did now, log into the router, then click on network settings and go to APN, click on APN so you open the profile management. Then you reset your password here and you type your new password. Right? And you click on save. Then you would have changed the password on this device. In future, you will need to do this every month when your password is changed. Right. Now it will show you, when you go home, it will show you that you are connected with this device. Then you can just close this browser. You will now be connected to the internet via your browser and you will be able to use the connection. Just another important thing I want to show you in this video is when you are going to use VPN to connect to TUT's network, you need to disable the IPv6 on this connection. And how to do this is when you go to your network, you go to Open Network and Sharing Center, right click here and click on Open Network and Sharing Center. Right. There you will see the TUT Wi-Fi that you are using. Just click on that. It will open the properties page. Then select properties. Okay. Once you've selected properties, you scroll down in this little window. You will see Internet Protocol version 6. If there is a tick in this box, you need to remove the tick. Otherwise, your VPN connection will not work. So once you've removed that, you can just click on OK and close this window. Now, when you go to 40 client, it's for 40 client. This is where you connect to VPN. Remember, connecting to VPN, you also use only your username and not your email address. Sorry for the delay, it's a bit slow. Right. In here, you just type in your username and, of course, your password. Then you can connect. You need to do this if you want to open, say for instance, the My Portal, or use ITS or any of those kind of systems on TUT's backbone. You need to first connect with this VPN connection. But to be able to do this, you need to first disable the IPv6. Otherwise, this will not connect. Alright, now I am physically connected to TUT's network. You will also see here that my IP address would have changed. Alright, that is all. I hope that this video was helpful in getting you started with your TUT APN. Have a nice day. Thank you.